Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Alfa Romeo 4C and this is by Siku. So I bought this for 349 rupees. So that was the MRP when I bought it. So I bought it like a couple of months back. I think I think I bought this from Toys India, if I'm not wrong. That's a website which I bought. Okay, so let's unbox this one and see how this one actually looks. So far I never owned a Siku. So like I told you guys, I just bought 7 pieces a few months back, but I didn't get the time to unbox Sikus because I was a bit concentrating on this mini GT and all. So I thought it's time to open this and see this one, how this one actually looks. Okay, here it is. I hope you guys can see it. So I need to tell you one thing, guys. These cars are very old actually, and some websites are actually selling it till now. And so there might be paint damage and paint bubbling. You can see all these issues in these cars. But apart from that, we are just going to review it and see how this one looks. Let me just put some light on here. I hope you guys can see it clearly. Okay, fine. So the first impressions of this car are, this looks true to scale. It's really good. It looks really nice, and it has acrylics for the headlights and tail lights, specifically this particular car, and it looks really nice. You can see here it has a lot of dust since I think it's been sitting on the shelf for many years. And this one has a rubber tires as well. The rims looks really nice, and it has openable parts as well, as you can see here. So for 349 rupees, this is a really nice piece, and the interior details also really nice. Since it's black and white combination, it's contrast, and it looks really nice. And even the grills here, it is embossed on it. It's not just painted. The logo placement is really nice. Okay, so the body is actually made of metal, and the chassis is actually made of plastic. But it looks really nice. It has some good detailing to it, as you can see here. Okay, let's see if this one has suspension. No, this doesn't have any suspension. It does some squeaky noise, but I understand it's a very old one. Okay, let's do a roll test. It doesn't roll really nice. It has wheel wobble, specifically on the rear wheels. It has a lot of wobble. But anyway, if you are collecting this just like me, you are not going to play with it. Okay, some good things about this car are, and it has rear view mirrors. That is a really nice one. And it has this scratches all over the car, since it is like it is held like this for a very long time, and it is it is getting shaken for a very long time. And it has a lot of dust, like I mentioned, and it has a lot of paint bubbling issues. So I'm pretty sure if this is a new one out of like the factory, this will look really good, especially for the price point. It has really great detailing. See, the exhaust details are really nice. So not sure why a lot of people actually didn't do any videos or didn't buy this brand. I'm not really sure. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.